Hi, I'm Joseph Marticek. I'm the owner of Boom Pow DIY Solar. Boom Pow DIY Solar was founded in December of 2021, basically because I'm on a mission to save the world. I've been in LED lighting for over 8 years and in the solar industry for 6. My mission is to save people money, to help people, to make great relationships and make them realize that this is a good choice. People can expect great customer service, always to get a phone call back if they have a question. They can expect top-of-the-line service products. We offer 30-year warranties. Basically, we offer everything that every other solar company wishes they could offer. Really what sets Boom Pow DIY Solar apart from the competition is I'm partnered with Power. I am an independent consultant and mentor. Basically, I have a support of project managers, operations managers, install teams, 6 to 8 people behind me helping make sure that this process is installed quickly as possible. Plus, I give everything I can to my clients. When we're done, we become friends, and I'm there to answer their calls always 24/7, 365.